Hello, today we will guide you through how to fix media compatibility and re-encode in PowerPoint. If you have audio or video in a presentation and something is not playing properly, PowerPoint includes a built-in compatibility check that can help identify media issues and prepare your file for smoother playback. In this walkthrough, we'll go through the process of opening the presentation settings and checking media compatibility so PowerPoint can flag anything that may need attention. Begin by opening the PowerPoint app. Once PowerPoint is open, load the presentation you want to review. It's a good idea to make sure the file is fully loaded before moving on, especially if it contains embedded media such as videos, narration, or sound effects. This helps ensure PowerPoint can properly analyze everything in the file. Next, go to the top left area of the screen and click File. This opens the Backstage view where PowerPoint stores important file-level options and tools. You won't be editing slides here directly. Instead, this is where you can access presentation details, sharing options, and diagnostics like compatibility checks. From the menu on the left, click Info. The Info section gives you an overview of the current presentation and includes tools related to permissions, properties, and inspection features. This is the area you'll use when you want PowerPoint to review the presentation for potential issues. Now click Inspect Presentation. This option opens additional tools that help examine your file more closely. In this case, you're looking for the compatibility-related feature that checks whether embedded media is in the best format for playback and sharing. This can be especially useful if the presentation will be used on a different computer or sent to someone else. After that, click Check Compatibility. PowerPoint will scan the media in your presentation and look for anything that may not be fully optimized. If compatibility issues are found, PowerPoint may recommend re-encoding the media so it works more reliably across devices and versions of PowerPoint. Let the check complete and review any messages that appear. As a helpful tip, if PowerPoint prompts you to optimize or re-encode the media, allow the process to finish completely before closing the file. Depending on the size of your videos or audio files, this may take a little time. Once the compatibility check is done, your presentation should be in a better position for smooth playback and fewer media-related problems. That's it for this guide on fixing media compatibility and re-encoding in PowerPoint.